Morning, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, today what I'm going to do is try to simulate to you my plus R handling unit working in automatic operation. Okay, so guys, first thing that we need to know here is what are the control and monitoring points that we are trying to monitor in this BMS graphics. Okay, now I tried to modify my uh, graphics. Okay, now in my first window, I could say I have a window here or my rectangle box. Okay, now I have to group all my alarms. Okay, first I have my FAHU healthy status. Okay, normally in my experience, this control schematic, they're asking for healthy status. Okay, when you say healthy status, your FAHU plant is in good condition. Okay, so FAHU healthy status, I have your FAHU healthy status. Okay, now there are some alarms that will trigger my healthy status. Okay, now guys, this is just an introduction to those who want to join my YouTube channel. Okay, now in my YouTube channel membership, I'm showing you the detailed tutorial about this fresh air handling unit. Okay, now guys, here as I said, I have a healthy status here. As you can see here, I have a normal healthy status from my FAHU. Okay, so meaning there's no problem. Okay, now I'll just show you how I'm going to simulate alarm in healthy status. Okay, now as you can see, please focus here. My supply pan handoff auto status is in auto. I will remove it in auto. Okay, now actually guys, beside me is my mini lab for this fresh air handling unit. If you have seen my previous tutorial, I already simulated the control of this fresh air handling unit in manual control. Okay, now it's time to simulate it in automatic. Okay, so my fan selector switch is already in auto position. Okay, if I will remove it from auto, okay, then it will be manual here. Okay, as you can see, my FAHU healthy status is in alarm. Okay, so that is one scenario that will trigger my FAHU healthy status. Okay, because my FAHU is not in good condition because it is not in automatic operation. When I say it is not in good condition, in automatic mode. Okay, maybe the mechanical engineer wants to run it in manual, so there's no problem that one. So the BMS operator will see, okay, I have a FAHU healthy status alarm. Okay, so he will try to look what are the scenario that will trigger this. Okay, one of the scenarios is the manual, the selector switch for the supply pan. Okay, when it is in manual, then of course you will have an alarm here. Okay, so that is one. Now in my membership, I'm discussing the this in detail. Okay, so I'm just giving you an introduction. If you are really want to join my YouTube channel and learn by heart this building management system, now I'm inviting you to join. Okay, now okay, so I have a FAHU healthy status alarm here. Okay, so I will put it back to auto. Okay, now auto, but still I have a FAHU healthy status here. Okay, so if you don't have any alarm here and your fan is in auto, then you need to reset the alarm. Okay, because I did not make it soft resetting. Okay, so I will set it to reset. Okay, now it's back to normal. Then I will again put my plant alarm reset to normal. Okay, now I'm already in my FAHU healthy status is normal. Okay, now as I said, in building management system, when the equipment is in automatic, okay, then the equipment is ready, or building management system is ready to control the equipment. Okay, now when you put it in automatic, two things you need to know why it's not starting. Okay, first, the FAHU time schedule should be on. I already discussed what is FAHU time schedule. Then FAHU plant enable command. Now FAHU plant enable command is the a way that the operator or the BMS operator can turn off a plant or an AHU plant. Okay, as you can see here, FAHU plant enable command is off. That's why it is not starting. So let me turn it on. But what happens when you enable the plant? So the first thing, just to give you an idea about my control. Okay, so when it is time schedule is on, then FAHU plant schedule is on, then there's no any alarm, then my control logic program will try to start this plant. Okay, now what will happen first is I will try to open first this damper. As you can see, it is closed now. Okay, I will try to open this damper because I don't want to start the fan when this damper is closed. Okay, so my control logic program will try to open it first. Okay, so let me first enable the plant. Okay, so I will enable it through. Okay, guys, as you can see, it is already enabled. Now my control logic program tried to open the damper. Okay, now if you can hear at the background, my damper actuator is opening. Okay, after some time now, I received the damper status. Now the next thing that will happen, my control will turn on the fan. If the time delay is already finished, because I have some time delay here. I think I put it in 45 seconds or 30 seconds. Okay, so let's just wait for several seconds. Okay, now again, FAHU time schedule is on, FAHU plant enable is enabled, auto, it is in auto. Then my control logic program already opened the damper. I received the damper status. Now I'm waiting for the time delay to finish. Okay, I think it's around 45 seconds. Okay, I'm giving. Okay, now my supply pan on. Okay, then command is on, run status coming from the control panel is on. Now I'm waiting for the supply airflow. Okay, so okay, let me see if I will. Okay, now airflow is already there. Okay, so on, airflow is on, then my valve will try to fully open. Okay, because why? Because my supply air temperature right now is 29.1. Then my set point is 23. Obviously, my PID control will try to make the error between my supply air temperature and the desired temperature to be as much as possible 0. Okay, so when there's an error, my valve will try to fully open. Now my command, my valve control logic opens fully the valve. Then my feedback is 97.5. So the feedback is coming from the valve actuator. So my valve actuator is saying I'm open almost 100%. So my command is 100%. Then my valve actuator telling me I'm open at 97.5%. Okay. Now for me, 97.5% is almost 100% open. So there's I think there's some discrepancy here. Now you have to put some offset here if you want an equal control and feedback. Okay, no problem. Okay, now okay, so my control valve will try to pull down this 29 to the set point, which is 23. But now since I'm only simulating this, I don't have really chilled water entering here. I don't have a cooling coil here. So I'm just simulating you the control. Okay, so everything is being reflected here. Now my FAHU runtime hour started to accumulate. Okay, now everything is okay. So this is how your FAHU will work in automatic operation. Okay, so to wrap it up, when there is no any alarm here, this is my alarm side. Okay, then when time schedule is on, when plant is enabled, then FAHU is auto. First thing it will do, my control logic program, open it, give the open command. Then when I receive this open status, then I will wait for some time delay. Then when this time delay is finished, then that's the time my control logic program will give the on command. Then from the motor control, I will receive the on status. Then my airflow sensor, my DPS, I have a DPS here, okay? So I have a DPS, it will try to sense the airflow, okay? So when it is already airflow is established, then my valve will try to pull down the temperature here, okay? So as you can see, it becomes 28.9 because my temperature sensor senses this airflow. Okay, it will just pull a little the temperature. It is started from 29. Okay, now the bulb, okay, relative humidity is high, 82.4. Okay, because yesterday I think my humidity here is a little bit high. Okay, inside my area. Okay, then valve control, valve feedback, everything is okay. Then runtime is accumulating. Okay, so this is how your FAHU will work on an automatic operation. Okay, now let's say I will show you if I will try to shut down or disable the plant, the AHU plant. Okay, I will disable this. False. Okay, okay, so everything is stopped. Okay, so see how a BMS engineer will control a fresh air handling unit. As I said, fresh air handling unit is the easiest air handling unit that you will write the control logic program, because you have only one fan, one valve actuator, or one valve for chilled water, then damper, then some monitoring points like pre-filter and bag filter, clean status, then some temperature sensors there. Okay, so guys, this is how you simulate the automatic operation of a fresh air handling unit. Now, if you want to really know how I tried to write all the control logic program for this, please join my YouTube channel. Be a member and enjoy and learn building management system in full detail. You can, if you are a member, you can send anytime comments and ask question, and I can also try to help you if you have a building management system project. Okay, so this is Santos Capillan Jr. We'll always end the tutorial by saying God bless us all. Let's all be safe and bye for now.